I feel it's the most important thing I can do to give good customer service. That's what keeps customers coming back. If customers leave here and they're happy and they're satisfied with the service we provide, they're sure to return and have their service done here. Customers can go anywhere. Biggest part of my job is to make them happy because I want to see them come back here so we can take the best care of their vehicle.
We know that we have to earn your business every day. It's not just a slogan. We understand that every time you come in here, you have choices to go anywhere to have your vehicle serviced. Lee stands out from his competitors by its commitment to the community. There's a lot of involvement. Our experience, we have some technicians that have been here for almost 40 years.
I think that Lee stands out because they're one of the largest companies in the state. We do train and provide good customer service and try to take care of the customers and modernize and keep up with times and do everything we can to provide a good service for the customers. Making customers happy is providing a good service, being honest and truthful with them, not trying to hide anything, and just providing the best possible service that we can.